Hi guys, welcome back to a new video.
I'm too tall for this.
So this video we're bringing you the
24-hour handcuff challenge.
handcuffs challenge for 24 hours.
Which is not gonna be fun.
I don't know how this is gonna turn out,
How am I
but
gonna sleep at night?
so the time is right now
I can't see.
7:01. So we will start this challenge as soon as he handcuffs himself to me.
I don't think that's gonna happen.
It doesn't handcuff? "24-hour handcuff challenge officially starts now.
Ow, don't pull me.
Wait, hold on. It's officially
Ow.
7:02. So we have to do this to 7:02 tomorrow night. Okay, so now we just got home, so now we have to get out of the car.
You gotta go this way.
Wait, hold
I'm
on.
not going that way.
Okay, hold on. We didn't go.
How are we gonna shit later?
Can you hold the camera?
Let's go. Ow, but don't pull me.
I'm not kidding you. Can you know? You don't even know how to record. You guys are so uncomfortable.
And that's what happens when you skip class. You guys are like we're weird. You know? Looking at you like we're crazy. You know how uncomfortable I am?
Before.
We can just buy one of these big ones.
No.
You said 4, right?
Yes.
Not 4. Hello. She should escape from jail. Call 911. Call 911.
Call 911.
I don't know how YouTubers do this, honestly.
You ready?
Yes, let's go.
Let's go.
Oh my god, I don't want to see the car scenes.
Who's saying?
That's why we took so long.
I'm just gonna have an original charburger.
With cheese and nothing.
Yeah, cheese.
Mayo, lettuce, tomatoes, and onion.
Yeah.
With fries and a drink.
Yes.
For here?
No, for here.
To
No,
go,
to
to
go.
go.
To go.
1902.
Who bought the girls? It's currently 10:12 p.m. and we are still handcuffed and buying food.
4 hours, no, 3 hours in, it's not worth it. We're having.
Our wrists are like red.
No, not your wrist, my wrist. Do you see these fat arms?
Let's see how the night continues to go. So guys, it came to that time of the day where he has to use the bathroom. And we're still handcuffed.
Hold on, lock the door.
I don't want to do this. Oh my goodness.
You give up? I'm not giving up. Look, we just recorded ourselves in here. Oh my god.
Mission accomplished.
We made it. I made it.
5 out of 5.
I was the one that had to suffer in there.
I could have used my right hand. You know how bad that is?
So it is currently 11:19 and we are still handcuffed.
Play Monopoly.
We're playing Monopoly with family.
Like it. Well, good morning, guys. No sleep whatsoever. Four probably hours of sleep. It's 10:30. We're still handcuffed. We're feeding Christopher. That's not, no. Say hi.
Oh, get the other one. Get the, ah! Go there. That's all going like getting up. Wow. Congratulations. Doesn't have 50%.
And now we finished feeding Chris, we finished changing Chris. Now we are on our way because Edward needs to shower.
That came out booty.
Let's see how this goes. Whoever said this was gonna be fine was so wrong.
Can you check my butt?
Ew, no.
Oh, you better not try to do nothing, Priscilla. I swear on everything.
What?
I swear you better not try to do nothing.
What can I do if I'm stuck to you? So we finished showering, well, he finished showering, and we are on our way out now. The longest time of my life.
You better not fall because it's not unscrewed.
Guess you gotta do your makeup now.
Oh well. We need to get up. Guys, so it's currently 2:50 2:56 p.m. and we are still at this. We're currently going over to family's house because it's Sunday fun day. You know, family get-togethers.
Or like Sunday boring day.
Oh my god. We get together on Sundays and have like, you know, cookouts and just hang out with cousins and everyone gets together. Yeah, little Christopher is back there. No?
No.
Would you rather cut your hand off or be stuck to me forever? It's officially the end of our challenge. We made it to 24 hours handcuffed. It's 7:02 and I think we are ready to release ourselves from each other. We hope you guys enjoyed this challenge and video because it was requested by some of you to see us handcuffed for 24 hours.
Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, share. Comment what else you guys want to see.
Comment what you guys want to see, like what you guys, if you guys really want to see our intro video, like to introduce yourselves. Do you guys want to see another prank? Do you guys want to see another challenge? Let us know what you guys want. We're here for you guys. Always remember to share, tell everyone to watch, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for everyone who's made our first video go for 300 and more views, and our second video is, I think it's almost at 200 views, which is not bad. Thank you to everyone who subscribed, to everyone who's shared our videos, to everyone that has even viewed our video and we don't even know you. Thank you to all of you.
Subscribe.
And follow us on Instagram at our link down below. And yeah, hope you guys have a beautiful ending Sunday with your families, and we'll be back with the next video. Bye.